Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.